Over.
Go ahead.
Okay, the garden is originally said to be built on the Heian era site of the Rokujo Kawara Inn mansion of Prince Minamoto no Toru, the son of Emperor Saga, in the late 9th century. The prince made the pond resemble the rustic Shiogama sea coast of distant Oku province, Oshu present Miyagi prefecture, northern Honshu, and is even said to have brought in seawater from Namba, Osaka.
Great photo.
H1N1.
H1N1.
Osaka Bay.
In the middle of the V.
Osaka. Okay, so something about Mr. Miyagi in Osaka. Yes! Why couldn't I be in the picture?
I was trying. Well, you didn't do it fast enough.
Oh, you can just press this button, I figured it out.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Tyler.
Oh, okay.
Here, you go above it, I'll go below it.
Wait. How do I get back to the thing?
Oh, press the play button again. Okay.
I didn't like that. There we go.
The bark's raining on me.
That work out?
Totally, man.
I think so.
I was amazing in that picture.
Okay. Even said to have brought in seawater from Namba, Osaka Bay, to give the pond its finishing touch. Later, in 1641, the shogun Tokugawa Iemitsu presented a large parcel of land, which included the garden site, to the Higashi Honganji. In 1643, Senyo Shonin, the 13th hereditary heir to the Honganji tradition on the Higashi side, commissioned Ishikawa Jozan to create a garden. This marked the beginning of Shosein Garden. In 1858 and 1864, fires swept the grounds, reducing the structure to ashes.
More fish.
Fighting. Oh, they're feeding me. One took it and slammed it in.
I've seen ducks do that. Some of these animals can be really greedy.
You want to take a picture of this? I like the waterfall back there, Tony. I thought that was prettier than the building with the rocks stacked up like that.
You want the waterfall? I'll get a picture of that. There.
Oh, there we go.
Keep the purple look too, because I don't know if we'll need it. What's it? This isn't.
That's just a flower, but.
It's all in kanji though. This one's in Japanese. Just keep the map.
Yeah, we would not be able to survive without a map. Actually, 2 maps, right?
We have like 3 or 4 maps.
I saw somebody even that lived here that used a map earlier on the bus. Ooh. I love this, like, rock that's over there. It's got good feng shui. I was told by my grandfather not to swing the camera too fast because it makes him dizzy.
Yes, I do that sometimes. This is employees, Connor.
Oh well. At least if we're stuck in Japan, Connor can get a job.
This is kind of a boring shot, but
Okay. Let's not go to the employee stuff in. Okay, let's go somewhere with more feng shui.
this is the path I'm supposed to.
Where's your Okasan?
She went over there. Okay, what's back there?
I feel like we're in the jungle right now.
No, it's not much.
Sumimasen.
Honestly, look out of the way.
I like the bridges. This is a really thick rock.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty heavy.
Okay, let's go around this way.
You want me to hold the map?
Yeah.
So basically you stay left, right?
I like our present.
Left, right.
I'm just following what looks interesting.
Okay, I like that idea. Because this is kind of hard to go back and forth.
I hope we don't get lost in the jungle.
Oh, they want to get a picture of you, so it's not really very good. Oh, look at the duck.
Where's he at? Oh, there's the duck. What is the lowest number? What is the lowest number? What is the lowest number that can ever be? Well, I hope he gets something. He's been trying for quite a while now. We should go down in there.
Okay, let's go along.
I don't know if it looks safe. Well, Connor, you can tell us what's in there.
Dirt and rocks.
Dirt and rocks. Sounds just like this, except there's no leaves.
Look at this way.
Oh well, this looks so much better. Has so much more feng shui. So much nicer out today. Why don't we walk out on the branch? Connor, I bet you can get a good view from on that branch.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Give in to peer pressure.
I'll just call my name out when we see it.
She's probably over here on the other side. A big crane on the bird.
Straight across? Can you see it, Connor?
You're welcome.
We should have brought binoculars.
I have my monocular if you want it. I have half. But
Yeah? He's eating the...
here, do you want to get it? I don't know where he's at.
See if Connor can.
Connor, can you get him?
Yeah, I can.
Here, I can try, Connor. What do I push?
No, you don't. It's already recording.
Oh, okay.
You just aim it at it. Zoom's on top.
I got a picture of him, you just can't see him very well. Maybe if I zoom in.
There he is.
Tyler,
Finding.
you can look at it right here.
No, but this is.
Okay, I got it. It's still
got
on.
it.
I got it on yours. I zoomed in. Yep.
Oopsies. Put my finger in front of it.
Thank you, Connor. Now you can't see him. He's gonna fly. He's run away.
Oh wow. That bird just doesn't like me.
No, he's just hiding from me. He's hiding behind me.
He probably knows. He's probably one of those paparazzi birds.
They're all over the place. Come here.
Hey, Connor, can you help me out here? Can you help me with this real quick?
What do you want me to do?
Just zip that up. I don't have a grip on this. Plus I'm recording. Thanks. Maybe they need to do some gardening.
Tyler, can you see him in the water? Way across the way and then they're on the rocks up there. Oh, one's walking.
Oh, I see them.
I got him.
They're really still. Unlike me.
They blend in, don't they?
Not really. They're all white. You just have to figure out where they're at.
Yeah. They blend in if they're on a rock, though. There's no glass.
Sure is on a rock. He looks like he's just on a bunch of leaves. I guess he's probably on a rock.
He just climbed up there. He was in the water.
He's probably sun tanning.
You want me to take one? Thanks.
It's a good picture. This is a steep bridge. It'd be good for fishing.
Reflection. That one picture, there's some ducks over there. That one picture you got, Connor, at the other garden was pretty with the reflection of the trees.
Yeah.
The way the sun was.
I like pictures like that. Like up here, I'm going to try and take a picture.
You could take one if you wanted to.
I think he should.
He'd have to develop his own pictures and stuff. So I hope he likes using chemicals.
I think he does.
And complete darkness, you know.
It's kind of fun.
I've done one photography class.
Oh, look at the fish.
Well, it's really fun to make your rolls of pictures because you're all in the dark and you have to memorize a procedure.
That was that ranking thing.
Was anything interesting?
I didn't think so.
Oh, I don't care about that.
Yeah, this is definitely the nicest day we've had so far.
Connor, they're all in the trees up here. Can you see that white stuff? It's by the telephone pole. All their leaves, all their bird feathers moving, their wings. Can you see that? You see that, Tyler?
Not really sure what you're talking
Up
about.
by the telephone pole. Way up by the wires. You see that white stuff moving? Those are all that noise, those birds. They're, I don't know what they're doing.
They're probably,
Mating? I don't know what they're doing.
I don't know, you know,
They're
no.
fighting.
Oh, fighting! Fight Club. Swan style. Yeah.
Classic.
Oh, there goes one. One just,
What, one died?
no, he just flew away.
Oh. Ah. Does that mean you won or lost?
He won. We're supposed to be on the grass.
They're on the grass.
Everyone was walking across the gas.
Across the what?
The gas.
The gas. Oh, I'm floating across the grass. Ooh. Totally, man.
Can I see the map? I want to make sure I'm going the right way.
Does it really matter? We're gonna go everywhere anyway.
Oh, yeah. We're almost done. Wow.
Yeah, you paid $5 for this. Wasn't the other one free?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
was huge.
This isn't $5.
Well, I guess we gotta see Fight Club, so I mean... Ow. These are sharp. These are like spear trees. Ooh.
The gate I knocked on.
Yeah.
Yeah, you knocked on that and they never let you in. Connor, you think you could push that open?
Go out that way and do a shortcut.
Ha ha ha. It might be harder because the door's locked. Connor, that's like knocking on your front door when you're inside the house.
The what? Wash closet?
Water closet.
Oh.
That's what we call it in Europe, water closet.
Yeah, I do.
A water closet.
Actually, Mom, I do. Do they have a toilet inside?
A toilet?
Yeah.
Inside a water closet?
A toilet.
Water closet.
Oh, see.
I obviously don't know very much.
Can you hold the camera for me?
Oh, yes. Do you want it back? Okay, awkward. No door. Oh, you think that's funny? Men can go to the bathroom anywhere.